The Hyundai Elexio was revealed in April at the 2025 Shanghai Auto Show, and now Hyundai has already applied for a sales license in China, revealing its interior, core specs, and powertrain options. As a reminder, the newcomer is a product of Beijing Hyundai, a joint venture established in 2002 with Bike Motor. The interior is highlighted by a 27-inch dual-screen display that boasts 4K resolution and is powered by a Qualcomm 8295 chip. The steering wheel features paddle shifters, allowing drivers to switch between 4 levels of kinetic energy recovery and activate one-pedal driving mode. The center console offers dual-zone synchronized wireless charging for both the driver and front passenger. Storage solutions are abundant, including 29 storage compartments, a sliding privacy box, and dual-way expandable cup holders. The new SUV rides on the eGMP architecture, which also underpins the Kia EV3 and EV4. It will be available in both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations. The front-wheel drive version uses a single electric motor with a maximum output of 215 horsepower, while the all-wheel drive version pairs that same 215 horsepower motor in front with an additional 99 horsepower electric motor in the rear, providing a combined output of 314 horsepower. The battery pack uses lithium iron phosphate chemistry and is supplied by FinDream, a wholly owned subsidiary of BYD. Unfortunately, the battery capacity wasn't disclosed, but Hyundai claims the range will be up to 700 kilometers under CLTC conditions. Meanwhile, the new Elexio will be manufactured in China by Beijing Hyundai, with a local market launch expected in the third quarter of this year.